Development of surfaces with the sectioning cylinder problem. The problem is a cylinder of base diameter of base 40 and axis 55 long is resting on its base on HP. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degrees to HP. The section plane is passing through the top end of an extreme generator of the cylinder. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the cut cylinder. Right? The cylinder diameter is 40 mm and axis height is 50. It is resting on base on HP. So the top view comes circle and the front view comes a rectangle. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP. That means section plane perpendicular to VP means here the section plane is passing through in front view, right? And inclined at 45 degrees to HP. That means the section plane passing through in front view only. And the section plane is inclined for 45 degrees to VP means the section plane passing, the section cuts in a top view only, right? The section plane where it is passing through the top end of an extreme generator. This is the top end of an extreme generator, either left side or right side. You can sectioning from left or right side only. Okay, right? Any end you can take in, right? So first draw one reference line, right? The diameter of the cylinder is 40 mm base diameter. Take 20 mm as diameter, 20 mm as radius. Draw a circle and divide the 12 equal parts, right? That is A to L, right? Next, project from all these points to front view. That is A comma A, L comma B, C comma K, D comma J, and E comma I, H comma F, and G, right? Next, sectioning axis height is 55 mm. Then sectioning is here 45 degrees to HP and extreme generator of the cylinder. So take right top end point. Here it is, place the protractor at 0 degrees and take 45 degrees. Okay, take 45 degrees and draw a section line, right? Then remove upper part of the cylinder, then dark the lower part only, right? Here it is, and this part will be darkened, right? So this is the after sectioning frustum, right? Frustum of cylinder, right? Here it is, I am taken some numbers, right? So A generator, the section plane is cuts the A generator, the point is 1 prime, and B comma L generator cuts the point is 2 prime comma 12 prime, and C comma K generator, that is 3 comma 3 prime comma 11 prime. Next, D comma J generator, that is 4 prime comma 10 prime. Next E comma I generator, that is 5 prime comma 9 prime. Next F comma H generator, that is 6 prime comma 8 prime. Next, that is G generator, that is 7 prime. These numbers have I am assuming, right, for section plane. Next, draw the development of the lateral cylinder. Then draw one horizontal line with the length of 125.6, right? So this calculation will be for cylinder pi d or 2 pi r, pi d or 2 pi r. Pi into capital D is diameter of the cylinder. Diameter of the cylinder is 40. Or 2 pi r means 2 into pi into radius of the cylinder, that is 20. So calculating of pi d is, that is 120.56. Draw a 125.6 length on a reference line, right? Straight to the cylinder base. Next height will be taken for 55. Then complete the total rectangle, right? Then divide the 125.6 line into 12 equal parts, because we are already dividing circle into 12 equal parts. Okay, right? So then the sheet the cylinder of the cylinder length also dividing the 12 equal parts, that is A to A, right? A to L, right? So next, by line dividing method we are using, right? First draw a one inclination line before less than 90. Next, take some radius, draw a one arc. Then this has center, draw an arc, one more arc. So like that up to draw a 12 arcs, like, right? Next, 12th arc, join 12th arc and last end point of the line, that is A. Okay, next draw a parallel line to this line using set squares, right? Or mini drafter, right? So then we get a parallel equal points of this line, 12 equal points, right? Next, draw a vertical lines on this all 12 points, right, up to top end. Okay, right? Then name it as a to L, A, B, C, D, like that, right? Next draw a parallel line, so from section line, right, project the project the lines to the development lines, right? This is 1 prime. First A generator, sectioning A generator point is 1 prime. Then draw a one horizontal line at 2 comma 12, draw a line, right? Draw a all these points to draw a parallel lines to this line, right? Then here it is point as one vertical, one horizontal. The intersecting point is 1. Next, B vertical and B horizontal. In this B comma L points is 2 comma 12. Okay, right? In this we get 2 comma 12, right? 2 comma 12, that is B comma L points. Next 3 comma 11 is C comma K. In C vertical line, K vertical line, we get 3 and 11 points. Next D comma J, 4 comma 10. D vertical line we get 4, J vertical line we get 10, right? Next 5 comma 9 horizontal line, that is E comma I. Next 5 horizontal line, E vertical line we get 5, I vertical line, 5 horizontal line, 5 comma 9, like this 6, 7, 8, right? Then join 1 to 7 upwards, next 7 to 1 downwards. The development of the cylinder curve is like this, right? So after sectioning cylinder, cut the cylinder, then open it for view. The development of surface of the cylinder is like this, just assume. Okay, right? Just imagine of the section of cylinder, right?